So Google just launched a brand new AI tool called Nano Banana, and you've probably already seen videos showing how to change backgrounds or drop in objects. And while that's cool, none of that pays the bills. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to actually make money with Nano Banana. I'll break down exactly how to get unlimited access for free, and then I'll walk you through 6 proven ways you can start using this tool to earn an income. And these are methods that are working right now. Let's check it out. There are 2 main ways to get access. The first way is to go to Google AI Studio and click Generate Media, then select Try Nano Banana. That's the official way. But here's the problem. Google limits you pretty heavily. It's great for testing, but not nearly enough if you want to build a business around it. So here's the second way, and this is my special hat. Open a private browser window and Google LM Arena. On the home page, you'll notice it say Qwen 3 Max Preview at the top. Click the image icon on the prompt bar, and then you'll see it switch to Gemini 2.5 Flash Image Preview. That's actually Nano Banana under a different name. And here's the trick. After you hit the usage limit, just close that private window completely, open a fresh one, and you'll be able to use it again. You can repeat this as many times as you want, which basically gives you free access forever. Now let's talk about making money. Brands constantly need fresh product visuals, but photo shoots are super expensive. You have to hire photographers, models, and studios, which can easily run you anywhere from $500 to $2,000 per shoot. But with Nano Banana, you can upload one plain product photo and generate professional lifestyle shots in seconds. So this is what you do. Offer product shot packs, 10 lifestyle and product images delivered in 24 hours. Start the pricing at around $25 to $50 per image. And once you're good, charge $100 to $200 each. That's $1,000 to $2,000 for work you can finish in one afternoon. Paid ads live and die by testing. Businesses are spending anywhere from $5,000 to $20,000 every single month testing creatives. And unfortunately, most of them fail. But with Nano Banana, you can pump out 20 ad variations in hours. So businesses can test faster and find winners sooner. So this is what you do. Offer ad variation bundles. 20 ready to test ads delivered in 24 hours. Charge anywhere from $500 to $1,000 starting out. And once you've got good results to show, scale it into $2,500 to $5,000 monthly retainers. What makes this AI opportunity so great is you don't need to be an expert, just a few steps ahead. Nano Banana is brand new, which means businesses are desperate to learn how to use it. So this is what you can do. Offer 60-minute strategy sessions for $150 an hour. Run workshops for creative teams or package done-for-you workflow setups for $2,000 or more. You can even add ongoing maintenance as a monthly service. This is too easy. Nano Banana has an API. That means you can build simple tools for very specific markets. So I'm talking about things like home staging visualizers for real estate agents, try-on tools for jewelry stores, or menu photo creators for restaurants. The key here is going niche. Instead of competing with broad AI tools, you can charge higher monthly subscription fees for solving one very specific problem. All you have to do is drill down and lock in. Big brands waste an insane amount of money adapting ads for different cultures. What works in Miami doesn't work in Tokyo or Dubai. With Nano Banana, you can take one core product shot and instantly adapt it to different cultural settings. So let's take this for example. You can now offer adaptation packs. One ad recreated for 5 to 8 markets with local relevance. Charge anywhere from $1,500 to $2,500 per pack. Global brands with $100,000 or more in ad budgets will happily pay to improve their ROI. Now, if client work isn't your thing, turn Nano Banana into passive income. Learn the tool, document your workflows, and package them into digital products. Here's some ideas. Prompt collections, something showing exactly how to create clean lifestyle scenes are product placement images. Next, localization guides, something that teaches how to convert a single creative into cultural variants that can be used in different regions. Then, creative checklists, something that teams can apply before publishing their work. You can sell these on Gumroad for anywhere between $19 to $40 starter packs, or $79 to $140 premium libraries. This is content you create once and sell over and over again. So here's the key. Don't try all 6 methods at once. Pick the one that matches your skills and double down. If you're good with people, sell product shop bundles or consulting. If you're technical, build niche specific tools. If you just want passive income, go the digital product route. And remember, Nano Banana just launched, which means you're still early to the party. Most people are still watching tutorials, but this is your chance to actually build a business with it. And if this helped you see the money-making side of AI, hit that like button, subscribe for more breakdowns, and drop a comment letting me know which method you're starting with first. Until then, I'll see you in the next video.